Hi, I'm Anastasia. Today we will be talking about acrylic nails removal. There are so many different ways to do that. We can use dental floss, but please don't do this because you will inevitably rip the layers of your natural nail plate and damage it. Also, do not rip them off, do not bite them off. If you would like to find out how to do this fast, easy, and safe, keep watching the video. We will need a nail file, so I have this one with a single-use sand stickers. Also, you can use 180, 150 or 100 grit nail file. Glue off, this is the removal liquid for acrylics. Also, we will need cotton pads and regular foil, you can take it from a kitchen, and a dropper to make the application easier. And orange wood stick. Please do not use metallic tools here. Then I'm going to start removing my rhinestones and the nails with electric drill bit. I'm using carbide drill bit with a black abrasive, which is coarse. There is also a different way to remove rhinestones. You can use your old nippers, but if you want to save time and if you want to remove rhinestones and nails at once, you can use the carbide bead. But please do not forget to use protective plastic glasses to save your eyes, because when you're removing product, especially acrylic, these sharp parts can easily get into our eyes. So always protect yourself, use mask and use protective glasses. I'm working at a forward mode at 28,000 rotations per minute, which is relatively fast. When working at this speed, you should be very careful. Never touch the surrounding skin or the natural nail plate, only work on the product. So first I remove the rhinestones and the color, and after that I will start removing the length because we want to remove the nails completely to do a new set. So hold the client's nail really tight at this moment, and then at a 90-degree simply file it short, and then I will continue filing the surface until I leave a thin layer of acrylic. And you got to have it all. 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 And you got to would you comfort me? And if somehow you knew that your love would be true, would you lie to me and call me baby? And when the layer is super thin, then we take the file. So I take my metallic part of the file, then I take the sticker. These ones are 180 grit. So first I need to separate it halfway, then carefully stick it on the metallic part, and then stick it close and remove the second part. So these sand parts, you will simply remove them after filing and throw them away. So they are single use, and this is really great, and your clients can be sure that everything is safe and single use. So then I file the length of the nail and I will sock off the rest. I will use the cotton pad and cut it in half, then cut the triangle from this half and then divide it into two parts as well, because we don't need too much cotton on the nail. We need most of the remover liquid to absorb into the nail. So I apply it right here on the nail and absorb it with the special remover liquid, saturate it, and then carefully wrap the nail. You can also use some rich cream around the cuticles to protect the skin from over drying, as most liquids they contain acetone and it will slightly dry the surrounding skin. So then we carefully wrap the nail. You can also keep it in a warm place to speed up the process. After 10 minutes we remove it, and we can see that the product is pretty soft, so using orange wood stick, carefully push back the extra product. If it's still too hard, then you need to repeat the process, and please never use any sharp or metallic tools at this point, as the nails are wet. They absorb some of the removal liquid, and if we will push them with the sharp tools, we can easily damage them. So now I'm filing the extra product off with 180 grit because we are going to do a new set afterwards. But if you are going just to leave your nails natural, then I recommend to use a light buffer, let's say 200 to 220 grit. I'm filing the length and the shape of this nail with 180 grit because I'm going to make it short, so it will be easier to fit the form and to do a neck set easier. So follow these simple rules. For acrylic removal, I usually use this combination method, so I both file with electric nail file first and then I sock off the rest. This allows me to not touch the nail plate, to not damage it, and after removal you will see that the nails, they are not damaged at all. So please use the safety tips, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. If this is your first time on my channel, consider subscribing, as I post new nail art tutorials and videos just like this one every week. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.